Guys, a lot of you guys aren't really logging on to the classroom, asking me a whole lot of questions, so I'm not really sure where you guys are at. But I know Cheng asked me some paper 1 questions and Brisa asked me some paper 2 questions. So I'm going to address the ones that Cheng asked first, and then I'll go and talk about paper 2. So let's talk about the paper 1 questions. The ones that Cheng asked about are actually pretty involved. I would have loved to be able to do this in the classroom step by step, but you know what? Just watch this video as many times as you need to figure these out. Okay, so here we go. He asked first about number 3. Number 3 asks about oxidation numbers of CrOH3, Cr2, SO43, Cr2O3, and CrO3. So what do? You need to find out which one has a different oxidation number. Okay, so let's start with the first one. Okay, so you all know OH is polyatomic hydroxide. There's 3 of them, right? So if there's 3 hydroxide ions, each of those is equal to -1. So total, all of this is equal to -3. What does that mean for chromium? Chromium must be +3, because +3 -3, they have to cancel, right? Because notice, no charge on this. This is neutral. So the oxidation number for chromium is +3. Good? Okay, next. Cr2O3. Okay, so again, we all know that one oxygen, because it's in group 6, we know that an oxygen's charge is -2. There's 3 of them. So 3 times -2 equals -6. So O3 is -6. Okay, again, neutral compound here, no charge. See how there's no overall charge up here? Means that all together this has to equal 0. So if there's 2 chromiums and I need this to equal the opposite of -6, because this is -6, right? So I need this to equal +6. 2 times what equals +6? 2 times what equals +6? The answer is +3. So in this one, the chromium is also +3. In this one, the chromium was +3. So far, they're both +3. Next. Cr2, SO43. Okay, so you guys know this is the sulfate ion. Sulfate has a charge of -2. And there's 3 of them. 3 times -2 is -6. So again, this whole thing is -6. That must mean that these 2 chromiums have to also add up to +6 to cancel out the -6. So 2 times what equals +6? Again, +3. So we got +3 for chromium here, +3 for chromium here, +3 for chromium here. All right, let's do the last one. So now, what do we have here? 3 oxygens. Again, we know oxygen is -2. -2 times 3 is -6. So the chromium, this one chromium has to cancel the -6. So what's the charge on that chromium? +6. It's the only one that has a different oxidation number. So that is the correct answer. CrO3 is the one that has a different oxidation number for chromium of +6. All the other ones are +3, +3, +3. Got it? All right, that's number 3.